Tucked away on a private, tree-filled lot, this beautifully updated Lake Oswego home offers a timeless design in a serene setting. With Southshore Glen easement access and top-rated schools nearby, it's ideally located in one of Lake Oswego's most desirable neighborhoods. Head inside to discover a spacious, light-filled floor plan with white oak flooring, a gas fireplace, and peaceful views of the surrounding forest. It's anchored by an impressive, oversized kitchen, complete with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a sunlit bay window over the sink. A vaulted flex room with its own closet and private balcony overlooking the spacious gated patio adds versatility for dining. A home office, guest suite, or creative space. The main level primary suite offers a true retreat with a bay window, tranquil views, and a spa-inspired bath showcasing quartz counters, a herringbone tiled shower, and a walk-in closet. The expansive lower level includes a spacious family room with French doors, a warm stone fireplace, additional bedrooms, and flexible spaces, ideal for multi-generational living or hosting guests. Enjoy the outdoors year-round from the patio, framed by mature trees that create a sense of privacy and tranquility. Plenty of storage and a circle driveway complete the package. Where modern luxury meets nature, it's all here on Southshore Boulevard and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.